Hello guys, why gold market crash again and why gold market in pressure? Is it because of US Iran attack or is it because of unclarity in market? Let's find out in this video. Today I am going to give you gold weekly analysis, full week details, and also I'm going to give you my technical analysis where I can buy or I am going to planning to sell gold for this week. And today is very important because of CPI data as well. So today I will inshallah do my technical analysis as far as we discuss CPI, I mean to say fundamental analysis, and then we also discuss geopolitical, I mean to say Iran US issue and Russia Ukraine issue, and last one we are going to discuss the sentiment analysis as well. So please watch video till the end. I am giving you the super duper market direction and which you can follow and earn some green pips while CPI or full week point of view. So let's start today's video. My name is Rahil Nawaz. Welcome to mycapitalcoach.com. First of all, we need to analyze the market as a wide angle. First of all, we need to analyze the market as a for the first of all long time frame. And as you are looking for the chart, you are looking a bearish quarter closing, and it's a very important after strong week which we had in last quarter. So there's a two bearish quarters right now we have in gold market. That means it's showing us the trend is moving downside, and also after the opening of quarter market retrace back to the upside 42.20 or $42.50, and now it's going back. That means it's a perfect so desi candle, so pure pathetic desi candle behavior. Market move first against the trend and then follow the trend entire week or entire month or entire quarter as well. So as you see in monthly chart as well, we have four consistent bearish month, and last candle is the Maruborucho bearish candle, and monthly candle it's a June 2026 candle, and now market again act like a very pathetic and very pure desi candle. Market open from 4,000 and moving upside to the $4,220, and now market again going to make his doji or a red candle again. So it's a very excited and it's a very obvious move in gold market. And if we are talking about the weekly candle, market is also consistently dropping, and this week market open with the gap as well. So that's very predicted and that's very normal move and very easy to catchy move in gold chart. Let me give you the point of view of daily chart as well. In daily chart, we are looking a very strong support right now, and if market going to break his support, because market go rejection from this support almost 3 to 4 times. First of all, market hit this level 24 June 2026, then 25 June, then 30th June, and then 1st July as well. Market hit $3,970 as well. So right now market on 4,020, and market is going to break his support or first market is going to fill his gap. Let's find out. Let me give you the technical point of view first with the H4 chart, because today is very important day. Today we have CPI data, CPI, core CPI, CPI month by month, and CPI year by year as well, and core CPI year by year as well market. So that data is very important. If the data will drop, then maybe market pull back, and if CPI data actual less than forecast, then market may retrace back and fill his gap, and that's a great opportunity. 4,120 is very great level to sell in that condition, because if CPI got dropped, that means gold is dollar is going to drop, and if dollar is going to drop, gold is get benefits and moving upside, and the CPI data may help gold to fill his gap immediately. And the second thing, why I am looking sell trade in my technical point of view, because of geopolitical event. Iran US war is still aggressive, and Iran and US attacking against each another every moment, and Israel also is very active. So that's why Strait of Hormuz is still closed. That's why gold is in pressure. So I am looking to gold break 4,000, let me give you the point of view. Break 4,000 first, it's a psychological number, then break last low 39 and 3970 low, and then market go deeper 3850 or 3900 as well. So that's my next supports, and that's my next target is about 3900 first support, and second support is 3850 below. So I am thinking it's a great way to market retrace back, and something like that market is retracing back because gold demand is still high. China is buying still day by day, and June 2026 China buy gold very huge and record level. So that means China is buying gold is in demand, but due to the geopolitical events, due to the Gulf region blockage, gold is in pressure, and right now gold prices is reflected by oil. So oil is the driver how gold will move in future as well. So if we set up a state of Hormuz is a driver, it's not wrong as well. So I am looking sell, and I am seller from the whenever market fill his gap. It's my first priority. If I am talking about the technical, you see gap is so big, almost $25 plus gap by Monday market open on his resistance level. So as you see, death cross we are having in H1 chart as well. So as far as market hit his resistance level back again and got rejected by resistance level, then it's a great area to sell. And why I am still seller in gold, my last reason is FOMC. As you know, FOMC is coming, and as you know, Kevin Walsh and Kevin Walsh team, Federal Reserve is looking to hike rate. So market have to fulfill the rate hike before the rate decision. So that means dollar is going to aggressive and in very powerful range. Dollar is going to moving upside due to the rate hike decision. So that's very great opportunity for us to sell gold and earn some profit. No, neither sell only. We can also sell silver as well and make some green pips. I hope you guys understand everything, and I hope you guys got my point. So our final selling call is 4,090 to 4,100 below, and if market in our favor 4,140 is also good resistance and good selling level. If you are looking to buy gold, then buy gold from here, from 4,000, because 4,000 is a very strong and very good psychological number to buy gold until market fill his gap. Then we may sell gold as well, and my target is 3,920 and then 3,850 as well by the end of this week as well. So I hope guys you like my content. I hope guys it's very beneficial for you to idea from me, but it's not a financial advice. Please follow Risk Reward and Money Management Show, and always plan your stop loss before any entry you are planning and you are going to enter in market. Just always follow your trading plan as well. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.